everyone, this is V.
And this is Mish. And we are back again with some
Another
thoughts.
cringy content.
Yes. So I think we were talking about our friendship and how we met each other and we found. So
Not too much in detail actually.
yeah.
That's a story for another time. But I think everyone gets a gist now.
Mhm.
Who we are and how we met.
Yeah, I mean, and that's the whole point. I mean, building upon that how do you connect with people? So, we were just thinking that, everybody has their own way of connecting with others, finding their own type in this whole entire big ass world. So,
You said my name again.
oh, I'm sorry.
Why do you think we
I think
chose
you
pseudo names?
You should put that, you should tattoo your name on your head
right.
so that...
We came up with the names together. Do you actually want extra work for me?
No,
You want me
I'm
to
sorry.
bleep it
I'm
ever?
sorry. I'm sorry.
You're worse than my boss.
Yes, we. So we.
Hmm.
If I ask you that, how do you kind of filter out people? कि ये तो नहीं, वो तो हाँ, ये ठीक ठीक. So how do you find your person? Like, how do you go about it? What is you think कि it's your way
Of meeting people.
of meeting people and kind of
Making
filtering
friends.
out कि हाँ ये इंसान मेरा इंसान है.
First of all, it's a privilege to be choosy. Not many people get those chances. But as you grow up, तुम्हें realize होता है हाँ ठीक है इनके साथ बनेगी इन लोगों के साथ नहीं बनेगी. With life experiences, you get a gist of it कि कैसे लोगों के साथ तुम रह सकते हो. You know, the kind of people you can adjust with and the kind of people you cannot. The first and foremost thing that you need to learn is कि कुछ कमियां सब में हैं. Right? कुछ कमियां होंगी ही. You cannot find a perfect person.
Yeah.
Be it in a friendship or a relationship. तुम्हें perfect person तो मिल ही नहीं सकते हैं.
And I think that's the beautiful part about being a human, and that is the whole idea behind Mish and We, that we just wanted to highlight that how unfiltered we as humans are. Back again to your question. Sorry to interrupt you.
It's okay. It's the whole point. You interrupt me, I interrupt
See,
you.
this is literally imperfect. We are not going with the flow, not following the rules. Yes.
I think if you want to be liked by this person, तुम थोड़ा सा effort डालते हो to be likable. Maybe तुम थोड़ी सी एक्टिंग करते हो चीज़ों के लेके. थोड़ा सा ऊपर नीचे अपनी बातें, अपना लहजा, थोड़ा सा चीज़ों को ना बोलने का तरीका, करने का तरीका. You are generous at first. तुम थोड़ा लगता है कि नहीं, I want to be friends with them. But once that mask drops, then you need to figure out कि they're not wrong in general, but तुम कैसे उनके साथ बैठ रहे हो. But and for me personally, सबसे पहला है the way they talk. Let me take an example. You see someone who is an extroverted person and वो सबसे बात कर रहा है ग्रुप में. But there is this one person in the group who's not talking back. Okay? And he is like you, and that extroverted person knows कि एक person है जो वो involve नहीं हो रहा. Maybe he wants to get involved, but वो इतना involve हो नहीं हो रहा. How do you handle that with class? तुम वो एक introverted person को कैसे comfortable करा रहे हो. तुम उसको realize कर रहे हो कि नहीं, you can also talk. तुम्हारा क्या opinion है? Okay, no, you cut this person off. तुम क्या बोल रहे थे? These small things, that gesture and all. So these are one of the points, and I thought of this after we suggested this topic. I thought of this, that this has happened to me a lot. Majorly all of my friends have been, in some capacity, they have been extroverted. So if they had never reached out to me, मेरे को कभी इन्वॉल्व नहीं किया फोर्सफुली टू प्लान, बिकॉज इंट्रोवर्ट्स का है वो फर्स्ट टाइम तो तुम्हें नो बोलेंगे.
राइट. फर्स्ट क्या, आई थिंक इट्स ऑल द टाइम्स दे विल से नो टू यू.
सो यू नीड टू रियलाइज उनका नो नहीं है.
या इट्स जस्ट
विच साउंड्स बैड, बट आई एम जस्ट सेइंग कि वो इन्वॉल्व होना चाहते हैं, बट बिकॉज मे बी दे आर ओवरथिंकर्स.
या बिकॉज दे इन देयर माइंड टेल देमसेल्व्स कि probably I'm gonna mess it up this time, or no, I don't have the energy or something. But deep down inside they want you.
They want to hang out, but they are not able to just say it in words.
Yeah, exactly. Being an introvert, I think it happens with other introverts as well, that you feel so many things, but you don't just know. You are not good with words to put that out there. Ki, okay, I can translate my feelings into a well worded sentence that, listen, I am feeling like this, or I want to hang out with you, but
I don't want to be a burden.
yeah,
I don't want
I don't want
to
to
go into their
feel
space.
desperate.
Yeah.
But you are definitely not feeling that. I think that is just
The misconceptions we have.
yeah.
यही है. If that person has that emotional depth, ये चीजें समझने के लिए,
हाँ.
ये तुम्हें स्टार्टिंग में पता चल जाएगा कि if they want to involve you in your plans and in your conversations, तो this is just the first thing.
I
मुझे लगता है
think
कि I'm going to get along
every
with them.
human at some measure थोड़ा सा percentage हम सब में होता है of that intuition कि अपने आप when you talk at the first time, of course you'll not know the person through and through, but कहीं पे हल्का सा intuition आ जाता है कि just a little energy का intuition आता है. You can't guess everything, but you know, एक biasness शायद intuition से आ जाती है कि you look for kindness in a person, that how is that person making other people feel around them. And yeah, not being too over loud or like just balancing out things in the room. Is that what your approach is to figuring out who your person is?
So how they make the room feel.
Yeah.
So they're not in their group, they're not trying to make themselves look good. They're like कि I want कि अगर ग्रुप में सब लोग बात कर रहे हैं तो even the quietest person is talking and enjoying. And वो एक होता है ना, तुम अप्रोच कर रहे हो उस चीज को कि you are able to have that kind of thoughts in your head. तुम्हारी इतनी इमोशनल मेच्योरिटी है. So I feel कि अगर ये सामने वाला पर्सन इस डेप्थ तक सोच रहा है, then they are going to be that considerate in future events also. With me or anyone. Like even if I carry this friendship or whatever relationship I have further, तो अगर मुझे फर्स्ट टाइम में दिख रहा है कि इनमें इतनी इमोशनल डेप्थ है कि वो चीज़ें अपने बारे में नहीं दूसरों के बारे में एंड जस्ट एक इंट्रोवर्टेड पर्सपेक्टिव से भी सोच रहे हैं, तो आई एम लाइक कि हाँ, क्योंकि बिकॉज आई एम एन इंट्रोवर्ट, तो मुझे पता चलेगा कि अभी आई डोंट इवन नो देम, दे डोंट नो मी, बट एज अ कर्टसी दे आर दिस काइंड, तो फ्यूचर में भी दे विल कैरी दिस काइंडनेस. दैट्स द परसेप्शन आई हैव इनिशियली. Of course, बाद में क्या होगा, nobody knows.
And building on that, what is like one red flag you have कि नहीं, if you find this in a person, you feel like
this is never going to work out. The one thing is
how you translate my emotions.
So the thing with me is, and this is just especially with men, it's also with women, but especially with men, if they intrude in my personal space. Like I said, I'm an introvert, okay?
Right.
So I have a bit of boundary around me, and physical touch is one of my love languages. So the people I like hugging them, I like touching their cheeks. में थोड़ा सा है, तो वो थोड़ा मेरे लिए sacred है. So if I don't know this person, and a stranger just comes into that, is too close to me and it's imposing into my personal space, that is a red flag I can never ignore. I don't know what is with some men especially.
I don't know, some men, I mean, again, not
all men.
Not all men, definitely. You know, there are few, I think they get a little over friendly, or they feel that it's okay to be over friendly.
Yeah.
But then, of course, this is not targeting any, like the Marajat. No, you are nice. You are a nice species to handle women. But yeah, ये तो बात है. Even I feel that, you know, when somebody gets too close in your personal space for the first time, or, you know, in one or two meetings, it kind of builds up your walls even higher.
Exactly. So it just first impression ही होता है कि I need to get away. Physically they are imposing. They might be nice, I don't know, but your body language matters a lot. Initially तुम कैसे किसी से meet कर रहे हो. But enough about me. What about you, Mish? What is your thing that you see in the person and you go like, this is going to absolutely work out?
I think there are two ways I've realized for myself that I choose people, or I start building bonds with people, is first of all a trick I unintentionally do. और ये मुझे बहुत recently मुझे समझ में आया when I kind of did a little retrospection and थोड़ा सा मैंने अपने ही patterns को समझा. Is the first trick I do is when I know that I'm entering into a place where I have to maybe be forcefully with them. Like, for example, when you're entering a new workspace, or you entering into a new yoga class or
Mhm.
any kind of thing where it's the same set of people, I go very slow. So I think I intentionally portray myself as a very boring person. I am a little bit, no doubt, but I like to go it very like, मतलब होता है ना कि एक लो एनर्जी से मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि इफ आई कीप द लो एनर्जी एंड whoever is still up to be with my low energy के साथ में ओपन अप होके हाई एनर्जी रख सकती हूँ. So this is very unintentional, I noticed, but I realized with myself कि मैं जब पहली बार किसी रूम में जाती हूँ, I be like okay hi blah 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 nice, but I be very quiet, I be very shant, and people take it as I am being shy, whereas I'm not being shy, I'm just conserving, because probably it is also my social battery that doesn't ever go high. बट हाँ वो मुझे एक तरीके से मुझे फील होता है दैट टेकिंग थिंग्स स्लो, बिकॉज समहाउ आई फील कि पहली बारी में जब कोई चीज़ ऐसे बहुत मिल जाती है ना, मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि ऐसा भी होता है, आई मीन एवरी रिलेशनशिप इज़ वेरी डिफरेंट. विद सम पीपल यू instantly connect, you like literally connect with them, but then they are so rare and they're gifts of God कि वो तुरंत में मिल जाते हैं and all that. But then you also feel कि बहुत ऐसी भी बार होता है कि आप बहुत जल्दी मिलते हो और बहुत जल्दी बिखर भी जाते हो, टूट भी जाते हो. So that is one way. Second, I think the other way is when I'm meeting someone is again I think I would go with you because we are very alike. I look for that kindness. मुझे कोई इंसान छोटी छोटी चीज़ें करता है वो ज़्यादा अट्रैक्टिव लगता है और मुझे लगता है कि ये मेरे जैसा इंसान है, क्योंकि इवन आई एम नॉट as a person drawn to big gestures or something. Somebody just doing simple things and finding joy in it. Even अगर कोई normal हल्का फुल्का एक decent PJ भी मारता है, ठीक है, even if it is like a small not so funny joke, but if it is delivered in a way to just lighten up and not rather make an impression, अपनी पर्सनालिटी को ज़्यादा दिखाते हुए नहीं, it is just a very genuine thing. So I think kindness and genuineness is something for me. And how do I define, because everybody has a different definition for their kindness and gentleness. For me it is like small things that are that matters to me a lot. So मुझे I think that is how I try to figure out कि ठीक है. But I am a little intuition type का person. तो मुझे थोड़ा सा I believe in intuition.
Yeah, sixth sense. Yeah, in some people it does click. It's instant. You can feel it. कि oh no, I have just met this person, but it feels like I have known them for longer. It's a very rare feeling actually.
Even if it is not, but I let ये भी नहीं अगर हो कि ठीक है it's gonna be for long, I have known them for longer or something, but there is some match of energy I feel जिससे मुझे लगता है कि हाँ this is इससे बन जाएगी. मतलब बात करने में टाइम तो वेस्ट, ऐसा मेरी सोशल बैटरी तो डाउन नहीं हो जाएगी. I'll not be drained after the conversation with them.
And Mish, what is your red flag? Like this is something you see and you're like absolutely no, I am not talking to this person again.
I think again this is a reflection from how I try to build bonds. जैसे कि I am trying to go, I generally try to have like normal conversations, very slow conversations and थोड़ा सा low edgy. But उसी में अगर कोई पहला इंसान is too energetic, too over friendly, too loud or something, I mean that is just not my vibe, I would say. It's probably not my red flag, but हाँ कुछ ऐसा भी है कि जो लोग बहुत ज़्यादा फ्रेंडली हो जाते हैं, to me I feel कि शायद मैं इनकी एनर्जी ही नहीं मैच कर सकती हूँ. I would say less of a red flag, but more of कि how I can judge कि
I'm going to get along or not.
Yeah.
Yeah, so these are just few things that you'll get in like a few days. तुम्हें ज़्यादा energy invest नहीं करनी है इनमें. This is the criteria you judge by, and this is different for everybody.
Yeah, this is
absolutely different.
I mean, definitely that high-spirited person is definitely good for the other high-spirited person. Definitely not for me, but
yeah.
वो इंसान के को सचमुच में लगा कि ये लड़की रेड फ्लैग है मेरे लिए या फिर this is definitely not my type. So what's the point of having billions of people? It is only because high वाले को high मिले, low वाले को low मिले. And you break rules, and then high ko low mile, low ko high mile, and yeah, I'm talking shit, but yeah,
it's okay. I
if you
understand
get
your point.
and
If you know, you know. If you don't,
and I think that is also one of the ways you figure out a person, that when you're not able to say anything or you just blabber something, तुम अपने emotions को तुम ऐसे बच्चों की तरह बताते हो और सामने वाला समझ जाए.
Yeah, absolutely.
That is like, okay, now I know.
बिल्कुल, I agree.
You know, you understood it. Good. I now know you are my person. तुम मेरी बिना बोली चीजें समझ रहे हो.
वाइब्स में समझ रहे हैं एक दूसरे की चीजें.
वैसे ना कि ये यहाँ वो वहाँ, इंसान को समझ में आ जाए ये कौन है और वो कौन है
और कहाँ क्या है, एवरीथिंग
विद ये यहाँ वो वहाँ से. डेफिनेटली.
हमारी मॉम शायद इसलिए हमसे परेशान रहती हैं क्योंकि हम उनकी वाइब नहीं मैच कर पा रहे हैं.
कभी नहीं हो पाएगा, I'm pretty sure. I mean, I'm so surprised by people
being good friends with their moms,
yeah,
and their dads.
Yeah,
how do you people not have mommy and
how do
daddy
you do
issues?
that? How do you even do that? How is it even possible?
It's possible, I guess.
Yeah, probably it's possible.
We are
Maybe in
just-
another life.
Yeah. Do you think you'll be good friends with your kids if you ever choose to have them?
Well, I don't. Being brutally honest, I think I'll be a good emotional support, but probably even I'll be not be able to match their energy, like because से वो अभी 5 साल नीचे वाले जनरेशन के बच्चों से तो मैच हो नहीं रही है.
They will be hardcore
But-
iPad kids.
Yeah, but I'm definitely, my motive is like I see myself is at least the emotional support, you know, the wisdom, or you know, an ear to listen to. It's just that, you know, just making a good person is my aim.
Yeah.
Let's figure out what the future brings, of course. By the time they're in teenage years, I don't know if they'll be marrying robots or what.
Oh yeah.
And I
They'll
don't
be
mind
marrying
anyway, like it's your like
ChatGPT. Yeah.
But yeah, I think the whole I don't know, I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna get along 100%.
Yeah, so the generation gap in major families will be there. Like,
Yeah.
some exceptions are always going to be there, but majorly generation gaps between kids and parents is okay. It's okay, and it is expected. It's
And-
going to happen.
Yeah. And it depends a lot. Everything depends on everything. I mean, that thing is, it depends on your partner also. Ki, you know, how is the mahal of everything. Okay, that's another shit. Let's not go there.
That's a whole another thing to unpack, which is reserved for another bullshit podcast.
Yes. Let's give everybody
A chance to reflect on all the wisdom.
a chance to even be spared.
No, we have given them wisdom. Let them reflect on it. That's their homework.
Do your homework.
Do your homework. What are you doing here?
अपने लोगों को देखो कि तुम कैसे पता करते हो कि तुम्हारे पास कोई टेक्निक है भी है नहीं है कि अच्छे लोग पता कर सको. क्या बोल रही हूँ मैं? हाँ, यही, चलो, हो गया.
Bye bye. Peace out.
Peace out, bitches.